Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Moments, the channel where you can practice English every day. Today is day 2 of our 30-day English speaking challenge. If you want to improve your speaking skills step by step, make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss a lesson.
Yes, subscribing is free, and you can join us daily to get better at speaking English. Our topic for day 2 is one of the most important skills, how to introduce yourself in English. This is useful for meeting new friends, starting a conversation, or even a job interview.
Let's start with the basics. When you introduce yourself, the first thing is always your name.
Yes, for example, you can say, "Hello, my name is Anna," or "Hi, I'm Anna."
And if you want to sound polite, you can add, "Nice to meet you." For example, "Hi, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you."
Let's try a simple example. "Hello, my name is David. I'm from Canada. Nice to meet you."
That's good. Now let's break it into steps. Step 1, say your name. Step 2, say where you're from. Step 3, share something about yourself, like your job, your studies, or your hobbies.
For example, "Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm from Australia. I'm a teacher and I love reading books in my free time."
Perfect. You can also talk about hobbies to make your introduction more interesting. "Hello, I'm Mark. I'm from the United States. I work as a graphic designer and I enjoy hiking and photography."
That's a great example. And remember, when you introduce yourself, use a friendly tone and smile.
Let's practice. I'll introduce myself first. "Hello, my name is Lisa. I'm from Singapore. I'm a university student and I love playing the piano. Now it's your turn."
"Hi, I'm James. I'm from the UK. I'm a chef and I enjoy traveling to new countries."
Very nice. Another tip, in formal situations, you can say, "Good morning, my name is," or "Good afternoon, my name is."
And in casual situations, you can just say, "Hi, I'm," or "Hey, my name's."
Here are more examples for practice. Example 1. "Hello, my name is Maria. I'm from Spain. I work in a bank and I enjoy cooking."
Example 2, "Hi, I'm Tom. I'm from New Zealand. I'm an engineer and I like surfing on weekends."
Example 3. "Good evening. My name is Emily. I'm from Japan. I'm a fashion designer and I love painting."
Now, how do you respond when someone introduces themselves? If they say, "Hi, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you," you can say, "Nice to meet you too, Alex."
Yes, or you can say, "It's a pleasure to meet you."
Let's do a role play. "Hello, my name is Paul. I'm from France. I'm a photographer."
"Nice to meet you, Paul. I'm Anna. I'm from Italy and I'm a travel blogger."
That's a simple but effective introduction.
And remember, in a job interview, you should include more details about your skills and experience. In a casual meeting, keep it short and friendly.
Yes, for example, in a job interview, "Good morning. My name is Daniel Smith. I'm from New York. I have 5 years of experience in marketing, and I specialize in social media campaigns."
That's a professional style. But if you're meeting a new classmate, you could say, "Hi, I'm Kevin. I'm from Thailand. I'm studying engineering, and I like playing football."
So, everyone watching, practice introducing yourself in English every day. Write it down, practice in front of a mirror, or record yourself speaking.
And you can also share your self-introduction in the comments. We'd love to see your sentences.
If you enjoyed today's speaking practice for day 2, don't forget to subscribe to Learn English Moments. We post new lessons daily to help you speak